because they were too expensive, too slow to serve, and too difficult to justify until now. SeaStar changes the equation. SeaStar lets you use the coax that's already in the building to deliver multi-gigabit speeds without rewiring, permits, or extra delay. It turns previously unserviceable buildings into profitable service areas. You reach more subscribers faster with less capital. If you've got 2 or more low-density MDUs within 5 kilometers, you've got a great SeaStar use case. Let's talk about tapping into your next growth market.